Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Lord's mobile game on your mobile phone. To do so, you first need to go to your Play Store on your device, like so, and on the search bar, search for Lord's Mobile. And now here, go to Lord's Mobile by clicking on it. So as you can see, I've already installed this game, but if you haven't, there'll be an option called Install instead of Play. Click on Install and Lord's Mobile will be installed on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Stace. Happy gaming!